Hey guys, how are your things going lately? I want to talk about an app revolutionizing how people approach investing. In an era where financial literacy is paramount, especially for younger generations, the Bloom Investing app emerges as a beacon for novice investors. Designed with a focus on education and practical application, Bloom aims to demystify the world of investing. Having spent considerable time exploring its features, here's an intimate look into what Bloom offers and how it stands in the crowded fintech landscape. The onboarding process with Bloom is straightforward. After downloading the app, you're prompted to create an account, which involves standard procedures like email verification and setting up a secure password. Notably, Bloom requires users under 18 to invite a parent or guardian to oversee their investing activities, ensuring a layer of safety and guidance for younger investors. Pros: comprehensive education. The app excels in breaking down complex financial concepts into digestible lessons. User-friendly interface. Navigation is seamless, with a clean design that appeals to younger users. Parental controls. For teens, the ability to have parental oversight adds a layer of security and guidance. Cons: cost consideration. The 15 monthly fee might be a barrier for some, especially when compared to free alternatives. Limited advanced features. Seasoned investors might find the app lacking in advanced trading tools and analytics. Alright, so let's wrap this up. Is the Bloom Investing app worth your time and money? If you're just starting out in investing, especially as a teen or young adult, Bloom is a solid platform that combines education and hands-on investing in a user-friendly way. The interactive lessons, fractional shares, and parental controls make it a great stepping stone into the world of finance. Bloom is not just another investing app, it's a financial literacy tool built for young investors. If you're ready to level up your money game, it could be the perfect first step towards smart investing. That's a wrap. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried Bloom? Would you recommend it? Drop a comment below.